Hello and welcome. I will be answering NECO 2018 Chemistry Objective Past Question 17. How many protons are there in a metallic ion Y2 plus, which has 18 electrons? A 2, B 9, C 16, D 18, E 20. So in order to solve this question, you say for a chemically neutral atom, the number of electrons will be equal to the number of protons. Okay. However, for a positively charged ion, electrons have been lost. So for a positively charged metallic ion like this one, Y2 plus, some electrons have actually been lost. Now, the question says there are 18 electrons in this particular metallic ion. So the number of electrons is equal to 18. And we've established the fact that if this has 18 electrons, the ion of it has 18 electrons, that means it has lost 2 electrons. So the number of protons will be equal to 18 plus 2, which is 20. So prior to it becoming an ion, before it became an ion by losing 2 electrons, it originally had 20 electrons, and we're asked for the number of protons. So when it was chemically neutral, its number of protons was equal to its number of electrons, so its number of protons was equal to 20. So option E, which is 20, is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.